Hey, what's up, people? Um, I noticed there wasn't a video of this, so I figured I would post it. Maybe save somebody a couple dollars. Um, I have a 2010 Hyundai Accent, and I was in an accident, and my turn signal switch broke off. This is the old part here. You can see the turn signal was totally broken off. So that was not good. So I ordered a new one, hoping I would be able to do it myself. And it was pretty simple. So basically all you have to do is take off the screws to the cover for the steering wheel. There's one here, there is one over here, and there was one on the bottom, somewhere around here. So I just took those off and I pried open the steering wheel cover. It comes in two pieces. So you've got the bottom that sits down here and the top piece. And they just snap into each other. So all I did was, I actually kind of ruined a nail file, but it did the job. I got it in there and just kind of like shimmied my way in, popped it open, pulled the casing out. Once I did that, all I had to do to get my old turn signal switch off was to unplug the connectors here. So you just pop that little baby out and wiggle it, get it out, and then you gotta pop something in here because there's a little clip. This just holds the whole thing in place. So you can try a nail file, try a screwdriver, whatever works, but you just press that down while you pull out. And that whole thing should come out. All I did was pop this thing in here and it's working perfectly, as you can see. Oh, well, maybe if I had the keys in, I could prove it to you. Lights, camera, action. I'm quite proud of myself. Hopefully this helps somebody. The switch itself only cost me like $20, and this took me maybe 10 minutes to do, and I have no real mechanical experience. It's quite easy, quite simple. Anyway, hope this helped.